got for the day? The 16th. 16th of September. Yep. Look at that tree. No. 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 Oh, almost ran off the road. I don't like it, people. I do not like it. No. Lonesome. That was Lonesome Road. I should go on Lonesome Road because I'm a lonesome kind of guy. Not really. I'm in a good spot. I am riding the old Spyder. The old Spyder that really needs cleaned. So the next thing I'm going to do to this thing is I'm going to clean it, and then we got to go through fluids. And I don't know what I'm going to do because I live in the great state of Ohio, and it's going to get cold. And last winter was decent. This winter is going to suck. And I don't want to deal with it. No, at all. Do I want to deal with any type of winter and or cold weather or any of that crap? It's been a minute since I've been on this road. I see they haven't even started doing whatever they're going to do to that building. Still collecting things, it looks like. I like yard art, and that was definitely yard art. Come on, Jeep. One good thing about riding the old Spyder is you drop a gear. Once I can see over this little bloop bloop, like right there, boom, boom, boom. And you say, what Jeep? No more Jeep. Yeah, I do. I do like the roll-on power of the old mighty F3, and I don't have a lot of miles on it. Just 81,419. This year I was going to ride. Every day I was going to ride. I told myself I'm going to ride every day. And I have a lot of miles on my Spyders because I use them as an escape. I'm not going to lie. Life can get hard, and these Spyders, my 2015 and 2020, that's how I escaped a lot of my problems. And I'm not gonna say they all caught up with me because they really haven't. You know, I just haven't had to ride. It's amazing when you start thinking clearly and finding your own path in life. Things change. And now, don't get me wrong, I am so passionate about my Spyders, but I don't need to ride every day anymore. I don't even know the last time I rode. I don't even know the last video I shot. I don't even know if this camera is going to record all of this, because I don't know the last time I charged up this camera completely, or even if there's room on the memory card. So, you know, I was dealt with a challenge, and I think I am doing the best that anybody could at this point in time, and I am digging riding the old Spyder. The rear brake wouldn't disengage. I mean, it disengaged, but I'm gonna have to lube that cable up a little bit. Looks like a little bit of water got in there. This thing really needs some type of storage to get it out of the weather. That way I can actually start doing something with it. Yeah, but it really needs scrubbed. That's the next thing I really need to do is I need to double check all the air pressures. I need to scrub the crap out of this thing and throw a good wax on it and continue to ride it until the weather's yucky, and then maybe I can start working on it. Maybe. But yeah, we're just chilling here in Ohio. 70 degrees, gorgeous day. It was 44 this morning. You know, not many more degrees and we're going to be in the 30s. So I want to get one more trip in this year, and it's just going to be a weekend thing, to be honest with you. I am not at work right now. I have taken time off work to make myself a better person. So I have time. Now, do I have the money? No. But when does that stop us? You know? it stopped me quite a bit this year. But you know, a weekend thing, I should have a free hotel room, if not more than one free hotel room. So maybe just into West Virginia, do the new River Gorge one more time before the end of the year, and yeah, then put the old Spyders away for the winter, which is such a horrible thing to say. Horrible. I was listening to a really good song and I didn't want to just stop the song, so I'm gonna go back to it as soon as we are done with this. And yeah, I know I can't ride. I am all over the place today. It's okay. I haven't been on Spyder for a couple weeks, and it's probably been that long. Like, no joke. Glenford, 1-lane road. Do not enter. Road closed. But didn't they just say it's not? They put it. But oh, it's all bumpy. It's all bumpy. It's all bumpy, people. You know, I think I want to go down the road closed road. Yeah, let's just do this. Ooh. I'll be back, everybody. Okay. I've been this way before. Oh, did you see that? A little death wobble going on. What's all that about? We're back behind the Jeep, and I know this isn't the Jeep. This is a Toyota 4Runner, but yeah, we're back behind all this crap. So there's the Jeep. Gear, oh yeah. Anybody need a hot tub? So yeah, you know, I'm just gonna go this way now. I'll go past me the Jeep again. I don't know where I'm riding at, as you can tell. I'm just riding. I've lost a lot of weight. My helmet doesn't work, and like legit, I cannot see out of my helmet. I need to get on their website and see if I can get different cheek pads and make this helmet fit one more time, because I'm not buying a new one. Nope, not at all. But yeah, this thing is like loose. It doesn't even fit my head. Oh yeah, what am I gonna do? One of the things I did not think about, you know, anytime you do something else is affected. Like you put a new seat on your Spyder, well then that raises you up a little bit. Oh, and then you realize the windscreen doesn't work, so then you have to get a new windscreen. You know, everything it just kind of snowballs. Glass rock. Okay, that's kind of cool for, what do we have? Is this a village? Is this like this is glass rock. It's 2 houses. Boom, 3 houses. I dig it though. Oh. He waved me on. That's a lot of goo in the road. And then I always forget how well this thing handles. So I know we got a lot of rambling going on today, and that's okay, because sometimes you just have to ramble. Oof, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna ramble all day about whatever I need to ramble about. So if you listen to this, you might think that I'm just a crazy old man, and I kind of am a crazy old man. But I have a direction, I think. Maybe I don't. Maybe I'm just going to live life and ride. Maybe I need to just get back to riding and enjoying life. Maybe we need to replace the back tire that's on this Spyder. I will try to take a photo of it and put it in this video somewhere, because it is bald. It's been bald for a very long time. And I have the tire in the shed. I just need to get my lazy butt out there and replace the tire. You know, it's all new. My life is all new. I've never been down a road like this. You know, I have my own house. I have a car, and it's not. Is that some type of Ducati? Guess we'll find out when he comes running up behind me. Or did they turn? They probably turned. There we are. Look how pretty this is today. Gorgeous. Lazy Acres Farm. It's a good name. Real good name. So I guess I'll let everybody go on the rambling. I'm gonna get back to listening to my music, and I might be heading into Somerset. Somerset is this way. How you doing there, buddy? Look at that cute little house. I like that garage, I'm not gonna lie. That garage is gorgeous. And I don't know the last time I was on this road, so I'm basically just looking at everything. Except for that tree that's turning red. Yeah. We have some Amish out through here. Look at that, we got an Amish sign. Look at that beautiful road. Gorgeous road laid out in the forest. Heck yeah. Alright, everybody. Give me a big old thumbs up on today's ramblings. I am doing very well. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this ride, and then I'm going to head home, and I'm going to listen to music while I do all of it. So, like I said, give me a big old thumbs up, everybody. Stay safe. I'll see you down the road.